Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be going over a new project that has been around for a little while now, but it does have utility to it. And it is a non-KYC debit card that you can load up with cryptocurrency and then you can spend that for online transactions. Okay, so it's like an online debit card that you can use on sites like Amazon, etc. Just your online shopping that you can use through depositing funds. Now, it's all done through a Telegram bot, and I'm going to explain everything in this video. But before we get into it, if you could please hit the like button, subscribe down below if you want to, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter at JBKDeFi, links in the description, and check out the Discord server and the email newsletter, and all that good stuff is down below. So with that said, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. So with that said, let's jump into it. So Telecard, when privacy is important. Telecard allows you to spend your crypto completely anonymous. No KYC, instant card, untraceable. Secure, fast, and private. Simply add funds to your Telecard, spend anywhere in the world. It's the quickest and most discreet way to spend your crypto assets. No hidden costs, no surprises. There's a 4% deposit fee, but that's pretty much all the fees there are. Instant cards and fast support, and you can see a little graphic of the Telegram bot here. And I'll show you that in a second. It's so damn good. Get 3% cash back on all purchases. The more you spend, the more you earn. It's simple, no hidden costs, no more surprises, no questions. Cash back for all T-card holders. 0% transaction fee, 0% fee for declined payments, and 0% fee for unsuccessful payment attempts. And here we have the roadmap. So Q1 early adapter onboarding, testing, and getting ready for project launch. Telecard marketing and PR campaign, iOS and Android app development. And then we have first laser cut metal card shipment begin and the launch of Telecard platform. Further growth, staking platform for holders, exchange listing, app releases, and then a couple other bits there as well. Okay, and then do you have a Telegram channel for updates? And then you can see the black paper, the DEX screen, DEX tools, Uniswap, and privacy policy. And we have Telegram and Twitter there as well. So they do have a token attached to this. So you can go ahead and buy the token, which it did launch back in February. And you can see it has done a nice amount since the token has launched, right? If we take a look here and we go all the way up here, you can see it has done since launch. We put this line at launch and then we put this at the peak. It's done a 13,000x since launch, which is pretty crazy, to be honest. I still think it's pretty undervalued. It's a pretty cool idea. Completely anonymous card transactions. You can see there's a lot of buy and sells. There's currently $1.35 million market cap, 24-hour volume, 115K, liquidity only 170K, so pretty small still. But they're kind of building up and getting things bigger, which I do like, which is it's a pretty cool project, and I'll show you how everything works in a second. So if we go over to the white paper, you can see what is Telecard and how does it work. Telecard bridges the gap between fiat and crypto so you can spend your digital assets in the real world. It's the quickest way to convert your crypto into cash and spend it at over 60 million merchants. You can spend your crypto without any restrictions. Telecard operates on Telegram via an automated bot. It allows you to quickly issue cards, top up your balance, and manage your account. Telecard was inspired by the need to make crypto more accessible and usable in the real world. Telecard aims to achieve complete decentralization. So power back to people, remain anonymous when spending your crypto. So this is how, if you hold these tokens, okay, you get essentially unlimited. You get a 200K hold, 400K hold, etc. So where do I start? We've developed an automated Telegram bot that will guide you through the process. Is the support available? Yes. Can I see my transaction? Yes. Can I top up? You can top up through the Telegram bot. How do you ensure privacy? All the deposits get tumbled and mixed to ensure privacy. Do I need KYC? No, we don't ask questions. Telecard believes in privacy and freedom to spend your money how you wish. And can you withdraw the cash? Unfortunately, we do not support ATM withdrawals at the moment, and there are fees which are based on the tier, right? So, well, here's the docs, which again I won't go ahead and read over all of it because we've just kind of gone over a lot on the website and also in the white paper. But if we take a look at create account, you literally just open the bot, which I'll show you in a second, click start, and then you can essentially create a card and then get started. So here's the card management. So you've got your balance here, you've got the create a card, you've got the display card details, list cards, so you can have multiple different cards there, list transactions, and you can top up, okay? So you've got support, and you also have a license as well. And yeah, that is Telecard. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to bring you over to Telegram and show you how the bot works and how you can use this in real time. Okay, so what you want to do when you click on the website, you want to just click, create a card or whatever the main button is on the website. It'll take you over to Telegram to the bot. And then you want to click start, okay, on the bot. So just hit start. And then it's going to bring up this. So you can get your Telecard here, click that first, and you need to get your card. I already have one, which is the Max. I have the Max one at the moment. So if I click card, you can see my card here. If I click this, it's going to bring up the details. So obviously for privacy purposes, I'm not going to show you my card details, right? But if you click back, once you have your card, you can check your balance, okay? You can click request support, you can deposit funds as well. And there's a different, many different networks. So on ETH, you can deposit Ethereum, USDT, USDC. Or if you go back and click on deposit, you can see, let's say you want to do it on BNB, where you can deposit BNB, USDT, or USDC. So yeah, you can go ahead and deposit funds. So you literally just click this. Okay, you select the amount you want to deposit, say $50, for example. And then you literally just send $50 to this address. So I'm going to do this now, and I'll come back to you in a second, and we will see it loaded up. And then just like that, we have gone ahead and sent the transaction. You can see transaction status confirming. We'll notify you once the mixing has been completed and it has been deposited. So there you go. That is essentially how you deposit. Very, very easy, and pretty cool that it's all done through a Telegram bot as well. One thing to note is it would be good if there was a physical card that we could have. So, you can go and spend, you can go and get cash out and that kind of thing. But token's doing well. It is down today, 13%. But, with a token like this, with 170K of liquidity, you're going to get these big swings in both directions. So, in my opinion, not really too much to worry about there. But yeah, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Pretty simple way to go ahead and make spend your crypto, right, without KYC. Okay, where can I use Telecard? So you can use Telecard to make purchases in 195 countries, both online and physical stores. You can use the card to pay for online shopping, subscription and trials, digital services, gift purchase, travels, international purchase, online donations, content creation, support VPN, crypto purchases, privacy-centric purchases, budget management, all that completely anonymous. So yeah, guys, pretty simple stuff here to go ahead and create a debit card that you can spend your crypto anonymously. So pretty cool project. One thing to note is the team is not KYC'd, but again, because this is a project that's literally offering you a debit card that you don't have to KYC with for privacy, that to me isn't too much of a concern. It makes sense. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for the video. If you have enjoyed, make sure you smash a like, subscribe down below if you are new. Let me know down below what you think of the project itself. Will you be using Telecard? Do you already use it? Let me know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.